At the halfway point, Court Montgomery has 1 pin. Donnie Dollars has 2. Gregory Rossetti has 2 pins. The Hood has 1 pin. Jason has 2 pins, and the Black Panda has 2 pins.
Yes, hand up! Hand up! Hand up! Yep. 1. Break him in half. 2.
I think we're going over whispering.
Oh, he's not done. Wet nurse! What the hell? What? I've never seen that before. Yes! I gotta give him some credit.
That right there is the end of biz.
Oh! He just planted that one.
That is a big angry man.
Oh! Oh! He's not so big now.
No. You know, I've said this for years. No matter how big you are, you can't work out the balls. You can, but it doesn't make them actually stronger.
It doesn't really, no.
Cheats.
I think he just a little bit higher now. Matches his height. Oh! You just pissed off the monster!
By the time he gets up.
If he gets a breath, you're done. Get Orlo! Get Orlo!
Oh God! I bet you that's what happened before. Damn, slider.
Rossetti's done. Get in the ring! Come on, you grease.
2. Monkey
person.
Can we say monkey around Jason? Is that okay? Monkey okay?
Monkey! Dollars versus Orlo. Repeat.
Boy! Oh, mercy.
Do not push.
Oh.
Push him! Oh!
Oh, no. Oh! Bam! Pow, right there. Break it,
Holy! It's ridiculous!
we got a Pier 6 brawl here, baby. That's what I'm talking about. This is wrestling 2 people like this plummet. I don't know where the pancreas is, but they're gonna look.
Oh! Holy shit!
My God, that wow!
Donnie Dollars has 3 pins.
No shit!
That should count as fucking 2.
Come on, 1, 2, 3.
Backslide! Old school!
1, 2, 3, yes! That's 3 for me.
Jason has 3 pins.
1, 2, oh! I got ring jerk.
Once you get a fat guy...
As request of Gregory Rossetti, he announced that he has 2 pins.
Court! Oh! 1, 2, 3!
Yes, Lord, yes!
Woo!
Yes!
Court Montgomery has 2 pins.
Next champion right there!
There he
You man,
is.
Court! You the man!
Pick him.
Woo! That's right, pick
1,
spots.
2, oh!
You see that little spot there at Donnie's crotch here? That's where he keeps his Skittles. I don't know if you can hear that or not. Whole pack will slide right in there. Easy access.
35 minutes have expired. 25 minutes remain.
Where'd you learn to count?
You sped it up.
Ow!
Oh! Get it, Panda! Oh, like a piece of bamboo.
Oh! They're very vulnerable in their eyes.
Yeah, if you're ever attacked by a panda,
Just like a shark. Poke it in the eye.
A is a really crazy fucking panda. And B,
Oh, now it's like, oh my god! We get the panda versus the shark.
Discovery Channel at its best.
When animals attack, right here. We got it.
Look at this. In the water, I pick the shark every time. On ground, I gotta go with the panda.
I think we're right there. Uh-oh. It's like a great fight.
Oh! No! 3, 4.
Oh, souvenir!
Woo! Somebody give me a Sharpie.
Oh!
Huh? White Sharpie.
1, 2, 3. Oh, the shark won!
Yeah! I told you the shark is...
The hood has 2 pins.
We're keeping this.
That's mine. Sign it for me.
Well, no, this is let's see that
That was the dumbest thing I've ever seen.
never stronger than me.
I'm sorry, man.
Never stronger than me. Not that I remember.
Oh! Oh!
Right in the eyes.
Not only Not only are pandas susceptible to the outpost, so are humans.
Really?
Yes, yes.
I did not
There's
know
no
Yes.
rules in this match. I can do whatever I want.
That's a little known fact. Whatever you want.
Oh! Oh! Yes!
Those were on the animal train. Look at fact. Donnie Dollars, if he had to compare himself to an animal, he compares himself to an armadillo.
Armadillo. Oh! You know an armadillo little. Oh!
One, two,
No! They are related to the anteater family. Just saying. Just throw that one out there. I don't know.
they cousins. Smoke
Oh! 1, 2. Oh! God!
This is terrible. I have to do an auction tomorrow. I don't know how I'm going to do it.
It's hard to do auctions.
Walk down my ass. Come on, break his damn dog. Yes!
Yes! Yes! Oh! I've seen it move the bunny ring!
That's an extra 20, little known fact. Oh, hey, Ralph, that arm's a little, yeah, just talk to him, don't pay attention
Check
to
the
the
space!
phone.
Check the space, Raph! That could be a choke. As Taz would say, that was a choke. Come on, Raph!
You sack of dog shit.
Raph! What the hell, Raph?
He's doing it again. It's 8 on the road.
That wasn't choking!
He's choking him. He's doing the thing in his leg. And he's talking to you in his throat. Hey, would you look at the light on the throat? It's right there.
Listen, that's not choking! This is choking!
No! Look at those
Choke,
facts.
Raph, what the hell?
Hold on.
That's not choking! This is choking! Oh my God! That's choking, Raph! What the hell? This is choking! Yeah! Court can do it, that's fine.
40 minutes have expired. 20 minutes remain in the contest.
Hey, hey, you got caught up in the moment that happened.
Sorry,
hey,
it's okay.
Do your thing.
I don't like his haircut.
Alex,
Oh, roll the thunder! Yes!
We got 1,
Yes!
2.
Yeah!
under,
I should have put it away. I don't know how Donnie kicked out.
Ah!
Did somebody say my name one more time?
Oh,
Just the last one.
largely known fact.
Well, he was
RVD
cheating.
does that. Just saying. Just saying.
He was cheating while I was sipping my beverage.
Oh! Oh!
Oh!
Shockwave.
Oh! Yeah, boy.
Someone's off kilter.
Little known fact, Neighborhood Watch just got tagged in.
Oh!
What?
That's yeah, that interception he's not too good at. That's not good.
Hey, come on, get off him. One,
See, like I said, hand in short. Go to the ag out.
Hey, let that bitch.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh, dear
Holy
Lord.
crap! Oh!
I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing.
I've never seen somebody get kicked in the balls so much in my life. Good thing you
I
already
did not
had
know we were at a
Oh!
fertility clinic. I'm sorry.
Oh! Come to end the or a cheaply priced vasectomy.
I'm gonna kill my wife again!
Whoa, hey! You can't do that, buddy! No, you cannot do that! No, you're not allowed to see that move! We're not allowed to show, we cannot show that move in professional wrestling. That was a cross-faced chicken wing, I do believe.
That's a tag.
Holy
Oh!
shit! He just flipped and twisted!
God, he looks so surprised.
Court, where are you? The hell with it, there's Mercedes. Oh! They kicked to the knee. Oh, and where's Panda?
Little known fact.
Yes.
Mercedes.
Holy shit! 1, 2! Hold on back and count fast.
Little known fact. Mercedes leaves a hair grease trail from his turnbuckle so he can find his way back afterwards. Yes.
You know, that's sometimes a good. Look at this!
No. No. Who you give?
No one knows. Little known fact, the name of this movie.
Oh!
Getting broken up.
Donnie just broke up the court block.
Oh!
Hit it, court! Roll over!
Roll over!
Grab your
Let's
hand
go!
up, roll over!
Yes! 1, 2! Son of a no!
I don't know.
Damn it, I handed it to you, Corey!
He did, right-handed.
I know this move.
1, 2!
You're supposed to roll with it, Corey.
Keep
Uh-oh.
going, Boston flip suntan.
Come on, 1, 2! Damn it!
1, 2!
Oh!
Little known fact. Oh!
Holy crap, Court's done. I think he...
We've said that for the last
He
half
needs
hour.
to
This
go
guy's
with his
resilient.
example. Son of a
Come
bitch.
on, let's go. Everybody's excited. Clap, damn it.
What the hell? Clap it up! Yeah,
Come on, Court. Come on, Court.
Court! Let's go, Court! Get him!
Court just got down.
Yeah, Court! Oh! Yeah! Oh! Yeah! 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 Oh!
Nice, Court.
Oh, yes! 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 Get it!
Get it,
Put him
Court.
on. Holy crap!
Oh, my. Little known fact.
Holy! Hold on back, your arm does not bend that way!
Come on.
Oh my
Come
God!
on.
Come on! Give it up! Come on!
Oh, he's tapping Court! You're still my hero!
Gregory Versetti has 3 victories in this match.
Here we go. Court could have some serious damage done to that arm.
You ain't gonna touch it!
It's the best again. Oh! Oh! That's right, that's how I do it.
15 minutes remain in the contest. 15 minutes.
Forget about it all. Right now, we gotta win. You got 3.
Shut up!
3. First person, I'll help you win. I'll help you win, okay?
Turn around!
Watch out! They gonna get you! Yes! What the hell was that?
He just
What are you
threw you
talking
under the
about?
You're
bus.
supposed to help me!
It was. He didn't.
I don't want to get hit. I know what he's talking about. What are you talking about?
Oh,
Okay,
God.
we've been tight. Forget about it all. You know what to do. Come on!
Oh, Versetti is shady.
Oh, heck, I'm just kidding right there. That was,
I think you
trying
should
to
have
win the
failed.
match.
Kill Versetti!
Just trying to win the match.
Kill Versetti! Kill Versetti!
Oh,
Kill Versetti!
no, just forget about it.
No, don't forget about it.
You can remember!
Just forget it.
Armadillos never forget.
That's right.
How much you like money? I know how much you like money.
Great
Dad.
memories
I will
of
make
that
sure
day.
that you get the nice. One of you guys gotta get out.
Oh!
I knew it! I knew you were with me all along. Let's sweep together. Remember that?
Yeah.
Did you remember that? Sweep, sweep, sweep.
Court! Somebody
Court
get it.
out of the blood!
Court, court. It's not that we don't care, we just can't talk it.
50 minutes of anything is what.
Jay, let's do this right.
Whoa!
Oh!
Count it, ref.
Oh! 1, 2, 3, I'm 1!
That's shady.
Yes.
That's low even for
Gregory Versetti has 4 pins.
Low even for Rossetti.
I knew it. You guys are such suckers.
Oh, the laugh is making me uncomfortable.
Yes. Thank you. Where's my belt?
Oh, it's not over!
Where's my belt? It's over. I'm out of here. Is this it? What do you mean? I win. Bring the bell. Drinks on me.
Vidal Sassoon is sunk into his brain.
Oh! 1, 2, 3, oh!
Donnie Dollars has 4 pins.
Uh-oh!
We'll go what?
1, 2, 3. Yes, Court!
Yeah! Yeah! Woo!
Court Montgomery has 3 pins.
Court's still in it!
Yeah! The ball's in your court.
The ref said I won. I don't know what to do. Overexcited. I can't do no more.
Uh-oh, Court. That's not where you want to be. That's a bad place.
I can
All
think of
right.
8 other places that we go.
Oh!
There's finally some goddamn Buddha mist around here.
Yes! Yes, after all of that, we finally get some mist.
Little known fact, all Asians can
Jason has 4 pins.
Oh! That was from deep diaphragm right there. That was
from the
holy.
from the thorax. That's not right. That's a grasshopper part.
Hit him with some chlorophyll. Going to fly? Yes,
Yeah. More than life itself.
Oh, dive.
Let's go. Stop, 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 stop.
Oh, that's wrong way.
Courtney, you suck. 1, 2.
We both have. Ah, we have 4. Who's got 4? Yes, come on, Court.
Oh, get it, Court.
1, 2, 3. Yes, Court. You got 4, baby.
Oh.
Court Montgomery has 4 pins.
Yes, he does. I just said that. I'm in the crowd and I can count.
I'm in the crowd and I have difficulty with it.
There are 10 minutes remaining in the contest. Court Montgomery, Gregory Versetti, Donnie Dollars, and Jason all share 4 pins. The Hood and the Black Panda have 2 pins.
Where are they?
Where are they at? Oh!
My God.
Court may have 4 pins, but I think he's done.
Yeah, Court's got 4 pins and 4 concussions.
And 0 adamant.
Oh! There goes the deposit. There goes the deposit. Oh, I hope that's not asbestos.
He just got a bad case of mesothelioma.
No, sir, that wall was like that when we put the ring in. Come on, get him, Courtney. Get him, Court. Rock his world. Oh, God.
Where the hell's the ref?
Break the fucking speed. 1, 2, 3.
Yes, Court.
Yes.
5.
Court.
Court Montgomery has 5 pins.
New champ right there, baby. You got it. Yeah. 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 Yeah, come on, baby.
Fair, Court.
Court.
Why the hell not?
Court. Oh, 1, 2, 3.
Yes. He's gonna win.
Court Montgomery has 6 pins.
Yes, Court.
You got this. Like 20 more minutes and you're the champ.
As request of Court Montgomery, there's 52 minutes passed in the match. There are 8 remaining.
Come on, man. Just fucking run around the ring.
Oh, shit.
I don't know if you know, little known fact.
Thorax, right? Thorax.
Clear Buddha mist is the most dangerous of the different colors. It's clear, green, and then red. Yes!
That's bad.
That should count as a...
Court Montgomery and Jason both score a pin. Court Montgomery has 7. Jason has 5.
He's killing him.
There's the, you know...
Breathe it.
He's getting the meso. Help him out, ref. That's on your hands.
That's how you get mesothelioma? Those commercials bugged the shit out of me. I never really had one. I'll be damned.
Hey, come on, get off of me.
Son of a bitch.
That's a diddly move. You should have used
stuff
it.
here.
Yeah.
Oh, good God Almighty!
Poor Court. You're still winning, Court.
Just stay down there, Court.
You got some meso.
Hey, get you some meso over here. Get you some meso. Fucking chair the meso.
Damn, this is deadly.
You might not win the match, but they'll be dead in 2 years and you'll get the last laugh. 1, 2, 3.
Gregory Versetti has 5 pins.
1, 2.
Oh.
1, 2, 3. Oh, that was 2. That was 2.
Gregory Versetti has 6 pins.
Son of a bitch.
Oh man.
He used a deadly substance though, ref. That's not fair.
Buddha mist.
Buddha mist mixed with meso.
Meso mist.
It's a meso mist.
Vince will
No
steal that,
meso,
you
damn
watch.
it.
Tensile.
Oh shit.
Tensile will be using meso mist Monday night. You watch. He watches us on YouTube. That's where they got
You know that little known fact.
Yeah, what?
That guy who wants to fight out.
Yep.
10
I did not know that. Nice. 1, 2.
Oh.
I got
1, 2,
Oh God.
3.
Donnie Dollars has 5 pins. Ladies and gentlemen, there are 5 minutes remaining in the contest.
Shoe show. Shoe show. Shoe show. Shoe show. Shoe show. Shoe carnival. Hey, Les.
Hey, Les.
Oh! Ooh! Nice right hand. Real nice right
Come on,
hand.
Rev, he's punching him in the face. Oh! That's how you do it. Oh! Oh, that's the Meso mix. Holy shit! 1, 2, oh.
That's what you call a valiant effort.
2 minutes remain in the contest.
Damn those 2 minutes. Little known fact.
What?
Panda and Jason have the same barber. Yes, they do. You can tell by the mutton chops. They are, little known fact, Panda and Jason are the same person. He just dyes the beard and match.
Up and down. Here we go.
Up and down. Thigh shot. Oh!
That's his
yes!
Japanese girlfriend.
There it is! 1, 2, oh! Damn it! You're so close.
Ladies and gentlemen, 1 minute remains in the contest.
1 damn minute.
Come on, Court. It's now or never.
Or ever.
It's your time to shine, kid.
No one's won with straight. Oh! Shit! Woo. Cauliflower ear!
Let's beer.
30 seconds remain in the contest.
Come on, Court. Kick out.
2, 3, oh!
Horses.
Gregory Versetti has 7 pins.
Son of
15 seconds remain in the contest.
Up, Court! Oh! Oh!
9,
Oh!
8, 7, 6, 5,